Welcome. In front of me is an OUKITEL K13 Pro, and today I'll show you how we can insert SIM and SD card into this phone. So to get started, you will need to grab one of these things, a SIM ejector, which comes provided with a device in the box, but if you can't find it, you can also use a paper clip, straighten out one of the ends, and it should work just as well. Now once you got one of them, you'll want to pop out a tray, which is located on the upper left side of the device. So right here where the pin is holding right now. Once you locate it, push the pin in, and you'll see that the tray pops out. And on the tray, you'll have space for two different SIM cards, or one SIM card and one SD card. Now if you're planning to use dual SIM, you would place one of the SIM cards sideways like this. But if you're planning to use one of each, just move it over. And plop the SD next to it. So once you have those both cards on the tray, you won't be able to flip this over because the tray goes with the cards facing downwards. So what I recommend doing is grabbing the phone and actually flipping the phone over, because nothing is holding the cards in place. So if you flip the tray over, they will just simply fall out. Anyway, once you pop it back into your phone, the cards should start working immediately. As you can see, SIM card is already working. It's telling me to verify my PIN. And SD card is working as well, which I can see with a notification right here. So there we go. So that is how you can insert SIM and SD card into this phone. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.